Welcome to Techie Master channel. So this time I want to discuss something about general concepts. Usually I've been discussing about electrical concept. So this time I want to put it different. So the topic is where the technology is going. Okay. So we'll see simple presentation of the technology evolvement throughout the era. Okay. So initially how the technology was, and after that, right now what technology we are using it in future, how it will be. So I want to just discuss about this topic. Okay. So let's get into the video. Initially, man was doing all the work manually. There were no machines, no technologies used to do the work. So only man was doing all the work by taking enormous time, okay, and taking more manpower. For example, if you see this picture, initially in olden days, you see this picture, and a man was taking the water from well and or tank, and he was watering the plant manually. So it was taking much time and heavy man work also. Okay. So after they started using some ideas, some technique, they moved to the second stage and they started watering the crops using this type of arrangements where they have a vessel which is getting into the well, and while he is pressing this wood, okay, wooden lever, and once after the vessel is taking the water, he is pressing upward, it will come out and it will turn, okay, turn upside down. So the water was pouring into the canal, so that was going to the crops. Okay, so this man was doing this work all the day and until the water plants are getting the water. Okay, so here he used some simple mechanical machines. Okay, this way he was able to do the work. At least he reduced some amount of time using this technique. So first step is there are no techniques, nothing. Second step, he started using simple machines, mechanical machines, that is simple technique. And slowly, due to the evolution of this technique, they started moving to involving mechanical machines. So the mechanical machine, in the sense here, it is the pump coupled with the diesel engine. Okay, so when we pour diesel engine, we can start this engine, and this engine will rotate the pump. Okay, so the water will come from well, and it was watering the plant. Okay, so here we started using some mechanical machines. Of course, this is not a simple machine; it's a kind of complex machine, engine, mechanical engine. So this is the development of mechanical engineering. Okay. After some years, we started involving electrical machines for the same purpose. Okay. We just replaced this mechanical machine with the help of the electrical motor. When the electrical motor was powered, it was rotating, and the pump also rotating, and water was coming from the well. Okay, and this way we were watering the plant. Okay, and this mechanical electromechanical machine is the next stage of the development, because when we were switching the electrical motor, instantly it got started, and it was sucked the water from the well. So this is more quicker, more faster than the third stage, and also it was not depending any fuel, only depending on the electrical power. Okay, next step, since we moved to electrical era, so automatically electronic circuits also got involved here to control the motor in a staggered manner, and to get the to obtain the fine control of the motors. Okay, we involved electronic circuits. Of course, electronic circuits not involved in agriculture, watering, but yeah, we were using in industrial purposes. The motor controlling was expected uh, very good manner, so that we use electronic circuits, which is the advancement of electrical. So here electronics engineering started involving, okay, in the fifth step. Automatically, next we moved to involving software, embedded computer program. Here, the software dominates the hardware which was used in the electronic circuits, so that the software or embedded computer programming reduced the necessity of the hardware, okay, which was used in previous stage. So that it also gave us the fine control, and whenever we need to change the settings, okay, we just need to do reprogramming. Just we can erase the previous program and we can feed the new program. This way we can control the electrical motors using this embedded or software programming also. Rather, in electronic circuits, we had to remove all the electronic circuits. We have to incorporate new electronic circuits. So this was a huge cost when the technology got implemented. So this is the very good technology comparing the fifth one. So this is the beginning of the technology advancement, I would say, based on the software and embedded computer programming. So embedded computer is integrated chips IC which has a program in it. So the program is embedded. So based on that program, output will be coming from IC that will send the control signal to the electrical machines. So whatever it is, okay. So you see, this is the computer numeric control machine which has the small computer attached to this machine, so which has the paper tape reader also. The program is fed through this paper tape, so which has the punch holes. So that holes is known as the program here. Based on that holes, this programming was done, and the machine was cutting the plate based on that program. So this is called computer numeric program, CNC machine. Most of the industry still we are using this one. Okay. So this is the advantage of software. Okay, when we started involving this, almost reduced a lot of hardwares which we used. So it means the size of the machine is reduced because of the technology advancement. And after that, we have moved to automation, Internet of Things, IoT, artificial intelligence. So all these requires no man intervention. So only robot can do all these things. So robotical era started at this stage only. So automation. So we no need man at all. In previous days, we were using manpower, but here it is nothing. For example, if you see this diagram, there is a small motor and a connecting to supply which can be controlled through a mobile phone remotely, okay, or through internet. That is what internet of the things. When we press the button, it will send the signal to antenna. This is receiving, and it gives control signal to motor. Then power is connecting to the motor is rotating, okay. So all these things is happening. So, and also the artificial intelligence, which is nothing but it thinks like human. So human has the natural intelligence. So we have simulated the same human intelligence, that's known as artificial intelligence. It will think like a man, and it will take its own decision, okay, based on its training, okay. So this is what I mean, we are in the stage right now, and this artificial intelligence will be the future, where more robotic technologies will be dominating the humans, okay. So this will be keep on developing. Okay, so in future we'll expect more technology advancement, so that we'll have less manpower and we'll have less work, and we'll have only very low time to complete the task. It means we'll complete the task very fast manner. Okay, so altogether, so initially man was doing all the work manually, then he started involving simple mechanical machines, then he started involving complex mechanical machines like engine, then he started involving electrical machines like motor, then next advancement is he started involving electronic circuits, which reduce the purpose of electrical equipments, electrical contactors, switchings, all these things. And he started involving software, embedded computer programming. Then the hardware size got reduced, and finally we are into automation, Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, all these things. Okay. So thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe for more videos like this. So like, subscribe, and comment, and please press the bell icon to get the notification. So we'll meet in next video. Bye.